Have you ever been driving in the rain and your wipers just don't seem to be working very well? Streaks everywhere, can't see very well. In this video, I'm gonna show you why the OXIMO wiper blades are different and how they're gonna provide you a better, safer, more enjoyable driving experience. Let's get right into it. Welcome to Kamsiparts Automotive. So there's 5 things that make the OXIMO wiper blades different. First is the frameless aerodynamic design. This reduces wind noise and also prevents the wiper from lifting at high speeds. Next is this graphite-coated rubber edge. Now this allows for a smooth, streak-free wipe while being gentle on your windshield. Now most wiper blades, they'll either leave streaks or they'll actually cause damage to your windshield because they're not using a graphite-coated rubber. The next thing is the even pressure distribution. So this allows the wiper blade to adapt to the shape of your windshield perfectly and provides a consistent clean across the entire windshield. Now this is important because if you have an old wiper blade, you may notice that it kind of just sits there and doesn't really move with the contours of your windshield, leaving streaks and spots that aren't clean. Now the fourth thing that makes the OXIMO wiper blades different is their ability to withstand extreme heat or cold. So they're durable and weather resistant, which means that you can rely on them to perform well in any weather condition. Now most wiper blades, when it gets really hot outside, the rubber will expand and then they'll start to leak and make a mess on your windshield. Or in cold weather, the rubber will become hard and brittle and they won't flex and they won't move with the contours of your windshield. And probably the most important thing that makes the OXIMO wiper blades different is the driver benefits. So these wiper blades provide you a clearer vision in all weather conditions, which makes driving safer and more enjoyable. They also operate more quietly, which is a huge benefit over other wiper blades. And lastly, they're easy to install and they come with an installation guide so you can easily install them yourself. So if you're tired of replacing wiper blades all the time, or if you're just looking for a wiper blade that's going to provide you with a better, safer, more enjoyable driving experience, then I highly recommend checking out the OXIMO wiper blades. They're different and they're going to provide you with a whole new level of performance and reliability. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching.